ang samakai nih mungsa kerja apa tahu job itu lawo code failo subdivisional code code kosong kaisa tuh affidavit kerja saya dong memang apa sini ya TCS TPS jadi exam dua departmental exam law fail kerja kemana mah borok tuh oh jadi polisi nggak fail kerja borok no bank ko nangsa ko corporate ONGC lo ko nangsa ko bebas jangan nangsa nang BA pass sama saya BA LLB pass kai taisa kenapa bo taisa kamu
bro sebagian so kan hai FC nomor thanks jadi susah dulu kowe kok saja ke 2022 ni sini bani tahu ke 4 kita ka asik kata borong ni pacing sekolah asik facility ka pakai ada ka semua aku seperti saya macam pakai semua kan besar segala kucing ka so hanya yang
you both and especially for your good health. May you enjoy good health and as you are doing for this good journey, good work that you have been blessed by God. So continue to do this and may this mission of yours may continue to be blessed. So thank you once again. We are very proud to have our own people from here to give a good future about all of us. Father Ramon, to say thank you very much for parents, the parents who have come to take part together in this short seminar. Bela sampai Papa kami. Thank you for the students too. Thank you so much for taking this time to come over here to listen to this good guidance from our